So me and my girlfriend today are swapping cars because I need to go get the Dart inspected. I'm stuck with that, and she is taking my pride and joy. Oh, and there she goes. Yep. I'm stuck with the Dodge Fart. Fuck my life. So on my way to the inspection, I see a race car. Fresh new inspection. Took her to my job, washed, waxed, tire shined, and everything. Wiped down all the doors, vacuumed, and wiped down, literally, I wiped down everything. The seats, at least I tried to get as much of the stains out. For some reason, this fabric stains really easily. But yeah. You can't even see it that well, but I vacuumed the floor mats and the carpets and everything. Oh, come on, focus here. Focus. Focus. Ford Focus, there you go. Okay. Yeah. My lovely girlfriend should be happy. All clean. Look at that. And the seats are still wet. Lovely. Alright. Time to get the fuck out of here. Now there is a video that I'm probably going to be making about the what's it called? The Turbo's wastegate. I guess there's a way to kind of adjust it. I guess the factory specs are 1.5 millimeters. I adjusted it to 6 millimeters, but I'll get into that later. But yeah, this was my day. This was my entire fucking day. So hopefully she likes it, and I'll see you guys next time.
Rain down, stop my pay, drop my spray, put it in that box, I say, 100K, yeah, I say, you talking